When I die, I want your hands on my eyes, by Pablo Neruda. When I die, I want your hands on my eyes. I want the light and the weight of your beloved hands to pass their freshness over me one more time, to feel the smoothness that changed my destiny. I want you to live while I wait for you asleep. I want for your ears to go on hearing the wind, for you to smell the sea that we love together, and for you to go on walking the sand where we walked. I want for what I love to go on living. And as for you, I loved you and sang you above everything. For that, go on flowering, flowery one, so that you reach all that my love orders you, so that my shadow passes through your hair, so that they know by this the reason for my song.